STEM NOLA is my favorite place
Why is STEM NOLA your favorite place?
because I get to do activities.
Today we're here with STEM NOLA to work on chemistry. I'm so excited about the activities that we have planned for the kids today.
We're building chemistry clocks with the kids. For K through 2 specifically, we're doing different stuff like slime, for instance. We're teaching them about like what solution is, how different things mixed together make completely something else, like chemical reactions. And for their big build, they're taking little Benny Men clocks and they're putting bolts and copper wires inside the lemons, so the acidity is what's making the clocks work. So they're just kind of learning about how different elements and different chemicals can make completely different things together.
Chevron has partnered with STEM NOLA in years past to do the chemistry experiments, and the kids come out from all across the greater New Orleans area and they learn about hands-on science, engineering, technology, and math concepts.
All right, you can turn up the light. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Awesome.
So you had to clip these on, you had to connect a wire to a string and a wire to the screw, and it made a battery charge, which actually made it tell the time.
Little kids are like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. What is that? They're just amazed.
I'm hearing oohs and ahs. I'm hearing kids talk about chemicals and chemical terms. What I see are engaged children, children who are excited about science, children who are excited about engineering and math, and my heart is just happy.
Exposing them to education in a new way, in a new light, and just making it fun for them, making it realistic and hands-on for them.
You learn that heat is oxygen when you breathe out.
Carbon dioxide is when you breathe out.
This early love and awareness is really an enabler for a better life for all of our kids.
We made water balls that look like volcanoes. And then we did food coloring with milk.
Like the milk swirl, it's food coloring, Dawn soap and milk, and they're just like, what is that? And then when they see that it's like, it creates this chemical reaction, then it's like milk swirls, they're like, that's amazing, what is this?
And then we did molecules that are actually marshmallows.
So we want to encourage not only a love of learning, but also a love of science, technology, engineering, and math.
It's cool that we're partnered with somebody like Chevron. It's good to have that partnership, so I like it, yeah.
So partnering with STEM NOLA is very important for Chevron as we are looking across our community. This is a part of our commitment. This is a part of ensuring that all of our community participates in science, technology, engineering, and math. All of our community has an opportunity to go on to those careers of the future.
This is an amazing place, and again, thank you, Chevron, for letting us have STEM Day.